Hi, I'm Merritt. I'm a sophomore at Cato in high school. I live on Oxcart Dairy, that's over there. I'm a dairy princess.
Go.
Hi, I'm Tobi Atherton. I'm 13 and I represent the Cayuga County Dairy Farms, and I'm here to show you around Oxcart Dairy. As dairy farmers, it's very important for us to take care of our land for future generations. One way of doing that, they use science and technology like fertilizing the ground and rotating crops.
This is field corn. Later this summer, we're gonna chop this up and we're gonna use it to make a healthy, nutritious diet called TMR to feed our cows, also known as total mixed ration. Cows have a very special person in their life called a nutritionist. Very similar to how the Olympic athletes have a nutritionist to make sure they are in peak condition for their events and stuff like that. Nutritionist for a cow also makes sure that the cow is not too overweight and is healthy and in peak condition for milking. Milk is 87% water and a great source of calcium.
Dairy products are a great source of protein and vitamin B12.
Hi, my name is Annabelle. My cousins live in Oxcart Dairy, and my favorite thing about visiting the farm is hanging out with cows.
This is TMR, we talked about this earlier. Cows here are nature's recyclers, and they can take products like cottonseed, which is a byproduct from cotton they use to make clothes, and they can digest it and turn it into their milk, which humans can then drink. So it takes a byproduct and turns it into something that we can eat.
Comfort for the cows is very important because comfortable cows make milk. One way that dairy farmers make cows comfortable is by using sand in the places that they sleep. Other farmers use water beds and mattresses. We also use fans to keep the cows cool during the hot summer months.
This is my parents' 21st wedding anniversary to each other. This is the back scratcher for the cows. It's another form of comfort that most farmers now have, and it gets that one scratch on their back that they can never get, and it helps keep them clean. This is our 10 by 10 milking parlor. It can milk up to 20 cows at a time, and our cows generally spend about 30 minutes a day getting milked, and the rest of the day they have time to sleep, eat, and do whatever they want. And we milk 3 times a day here.
After every rotation of milking, we sanitize the milking parlor, and the milk comes from the cow into this unit, through this pipe, and into the bulk tank, which is taken straight to the plant.
Thank you for coming on this tour of Oxcart Dairy. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the dairy industry, please reach out to the Cayuga County Dairy Promotion. Thanks.